Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a Visa gift card on Steam. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Visa gift card on Steam, what you need to do first is check your Visa gift card. Make sure it's activated and has enough balance. Some cards require you to register the cardholder name and zip code online before using. The next step is to sign into Steam. Simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in store.steampower.com. Then once inside, be sure to be signed into your Steam account. The next is to add funds to your Steam wallet or make a purchase. You can either add funds by simply clicking on the games, then add funds to your Steam wallet option and choose an amount, and then click on add funds, or simply buy your game or item directly by simply heading over to the store by tapping on the three horizontal bar on the top left, then selecting store and then tapping on home, and here select the item that you want and then select purchase. Then next is to enter payment method. Simply choose the credit or debit card at the checkout, then enter your Visa gift card details like card number, expiration date, CVV, the 3-digit code, and name on the card. Register that card online if required. Make sure the billing zip code matches the one registered with the card, and Steam will charge your Visa gift card, and any remaining balance on the card can be used for future purchases. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.